Hey everybody, welcome back to 608 Fab. As you can see, I've got the crawler hauler here in the background. It's been a few months since I posted the video about the setup and the install on the trailer and things of that nature. And a lot of my friends that saw that, saw photos of it, and guys at the shop, they're like, well, how are you gonna get into that thing? It's a million miles off the ground. So I ordered some different steps. So the trailer had already been modified because we bought it used. It was modified with the Lippert flip down steps from inside the door. That was this set of steps right here. So that's their two-step version of the solid step, I believe they call it, adjustable legs, things like that. Nice solid set of steps that is way better than your standard pullouts on the less expensive travel trailers. So those things are obviously way too short, right? So to get the deck height that we've got, and on flat ground, I've got about 40 inches. And we went with the Lippert solid steps, and we used the 26-inch quad solid step. The part number on Lippert is the, let's see, what do we got? 791574. And that's an adjustable set of quad steps, so 4 steps. So this runs a height adjustment from 35 inches to 44 inches. So depending on if we're not sitting on the best ground, 44 inches might be a little bit of a stretch depending on how we get things leveled out. Sitting here right now, I'm a little nose up, the camper's a little high, the ground's all mushy and uneven where I got it parked at, and I've got the legs extended all the way out. So maybe I'll carry a couple little blocks of wood or something like that. But I also don't want to make the last step a doozy either, because right now it's a good 12-inch step. So let me show you how this turned out. So this is what it ended up looking like. So there's a staircase. Like I said, I think I'm going to put a little DOT tape on the side rail of this so it can be seen, especially if we're at a truck stop or I don't know, just a rest area or something like that. I hate to have somebody pull up next to it and, you know, clip the steps, things of that nature. Hop up on this trailer. So it is a well, 40 plus inches to get to the top at the trailer floor level. So we do have the handrail coming for it. The handrail just bolts in right here, and then it bolts in here as well. That's also part of the latch adjustment there. So integrates in. The way I order these, I ordered them off the scratch and dent list at one of my suppliers, and I was missing those components, but I also saved a bunch of money. So that's going to be a nice solid set of steps for traveling, getting in and out. So one of the coolest parts about this also is it folds up into the doorway. So they make 2 different widths of this. I believe it's a 26 and a 30. We're on the 26. Door closes. This all sits in place, and it's got a real nice handle on it with double latch mechanism and just leans out. It does have a little bit of weight to it. Once it's all, you know, at 90 degrees, it doesn't have any gas assist shocks or anything like that, but nicely stored inside the door. I think putting a little bit of DOT tape on it is going to be the right answer. We'll see, you know, depending on how we're using it. Maybe you can, you know, some truck stops, there's plenty of room to park, you know, put this side against a curb or out into the grass somewhere. Campgrounds, I'm not really worried about it, but there's a quick little update on the steps we're putting on, the handrail that's coming next. I'm just missing 2 of the brackets, but the handrail is going to be a part number 799640. That's right from Lippert. That's got all the brackets, everything to install it on this setup. And again, the quad step design is 791574. So that's what we used. to get to the 44-inch or 40-inch deck height that we need to get to. Thanks for watching as always. Like, share, and subscribe. Come back for more on the Crawler Hauler. More wheeling videos this summer now that we're camping in style. And in the meantime, do something cool in your garage.